Look what I got today. I sent for a flamethrower. My friend Mark had it on Facebook, I think. Yeah, it was on Facebook. Mark from Florida, how you doing? I saw him lighting wood with this for his grill, and I thought I had to have that. It was it's for lighting campfires and wood and charcoal. But when I got it, it says cooking torch, so that gave me a good idea. But first, I'm going to open it up. Calackle. Is that what it is? Calackle. Cousin Boney. Oh, instructions. I don't need no thinking instructions. Hey, you. Torch only lights using very little fuel. Because we use a propane can. I'll show you. That means don't turn it all the way on. Oh, look at this. Oh, you need one of these. Oh, flamethrower. That's what I always wanted. All right. Take the warning off. Probably. I'll read the instructions. If I can't get it started, I'll read the instructions. Little propane can, or you could hook it up to a hose, probably. Strap it on your back. Run around, ghost busting. Hold this. There we go. First time ever. Oh, that's neat, doesn't it? Propane and propane accessories. Oh. Must be on. Turn it off! Fatherton! Oh, yeah. Alright, so I should probably read the instructions. Look at it. So it says turn it on low and push this. Oh, it's a flamethrower. Oh, too bad it's not dark out. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Cooking torch. Hey, look at this. That's so cool. Isn't that cool? You want one of them? Yeah. I think I'm gonna try and cook a steak with it. We got steaks in there, don't we?
Yep.
Got steaks ready to go, huh?
Yeah. You wanna try it?
Give me one steak. It says cooking torch. Can I cook it right on this cement right here?
How about using the grill pan? Okay.
Oh, sure.
Here.
This is gonna be fun. Okay, we're all ready.
We have a cast iron grill pan.
And a fork. Now I need some meat. Let me see. All right, we're getting our supplies ready. I think I'm gonna spray this. I don't know if it's necessary because it's cooking from the top down, you know. But we don't want our meat to stick. And we're getting our steaks prepared. Throw one out here.
Got it?
Oh, here we go. Now, normally I'd put this down over here. A little seasoning. McCormick Grill Master's steak seasoning. Before or after? Both. Start up my new toy. Oh, here we go. Any suggestions?
How high should you set that?
I don't know, on flame. Some people like it just like that. Good?
Yeah.
You burned it! You freak. Oh, safety first. Look it. Let me take a peek. Woo! Right before my very eyes. Me, I want to cook it right on the rock, like a caveman. Should have a rotating cast iron plate here. Oh, it's getting nice. Look at it. See, you want it just like that, don't you? What fun this is. I'm glad I thought of it. Right, Bones? You could use some of these steaks, you know? Look at this, getting perfect. It smells delicious. You gotta get one of these. I think it was $22, this flamethrower.
You got a link for it?
Yeah, I'll put it down there in the video description. Man. Should I turn it over, everybody? All you steak connoisseurs.
A little more.
I want to get some seasoning on the other side. I think I could cook it right on this slab right here, don't you?
I think this is safer for food safety.
Yeah. You don't get no sand in my mouth.
I don't know what's involved.
No peeking. Oh, and 2 of them.
Want to try a piece of corn with that?
Oh, corn on cob? Yeah, let me get this. All right, yeah. At the same time?
Yeah.
Can you smell this? Oh, boy, let me turn it over. Look. Oh. Toasty. I'm gonna season that corn too. Oh, we had corn in a restaurant the other day that was like burnt cheese on it and everything was good. Yeah. Just put this right on, huh?
I think so.
What should I do with a fork? Somebody's meowing out there. It's gonna get done first. I don't know. I don't want to spoil the steak or melt my seasoning. Be careful with this. See, corn on the side. Corn on the side. Blaster, blaster. The popcorn. This is a party. Give everybody a torch and a hot plate. And do it. Do it. We got some butter on the way too for the corn and the meat. What's going to get done first? A lot of people would like that steak like it is right now, wouldn't they? Right, Gus? Right, Mark? Thanks for showing me this. I'm glad you found it. Couldn't have lived without it. Going easy on the corn, but I like the street corn style. Should I put a little butter on there now and put my cheese on the corn?
Okay.
Maybe. Thank you. I'm sorry we're having. Oh, we got everything.
Keep the flame away from the plastic.
Yeah. It's like a workshop. I'll roll that butter around. Roll that butter around a little bit with the corn. Or the other way around because that's all I need.
But they'll burn a little bit, so
I want it a little burnt.
yeah.
Sizzling butter down there, see? Oh. Oh, it's getting a little windy now. Gotta go with the wind. There we go. This is so much fun. It smells so delicious. It smells like a steak barbecue. Cheesesteak. Brown up that corn a little bit. See? The cheese on the corn. That's what we paid $6 for an ear of corn at a restaurant the other day like that. A steakhouse. And I thought, $6 for an ear of corn. I made money on that. Hold this.
Hey, you're doing good. You might need this to get the corn off.
Okay. Thank you.
It smells delicious.
See, if you like your steak done like you like it done, you might be eating by now. But I'm just having fun playing. sorry. Let me look at it. Watch that.
Put it on a cutting board a minute. Cool off. Smells like popcorn.
Don't you love doing this with all your friends? Everybody get a torch.
Let's see our next cookout coming up.
Let's put this corn on the back burner. Let me concentrate. Well, I still want it a little more brown. We have another steak. You want yours cooked like this, or are you gonna go the old-fashioned way?
I'll take a look at this when we're done. Making the video. It looks good though.
Yeah. I could probably cut into that, right?
Yeah. You know, since we never tried it before, but it does seem like a good trick to get the grill pan a little bit hot too.
Oh yeah, free heat.
What you're doing there now, you can see the flames going up the grill lines.
Oh yeah.
And it's probably helping the cooking.
It's cooking underneath that way.
That's a good
Yeah. Plus, you could brown your creme brulees like this or whatever. You don't have to have it on that high. Oh, where's that hunk of meat? Okay.
It tastes good?
But I want to cut into that. All right. Can you see the sizzle? The sizzling on that side too? Look at it.
Yeah.
And the delicious corn. All right. That was fun. That was amazing. Oh, I got a plate, I got a fork, I got everything over there. We're gonna cut into this meat and check it out. Okay? All right, steak judgers. Put your judging hats on. I'm gonna get a good look at this. Oh, I know you like it like that. Kathy don't like it like that, right?
No, I'll have mine more well done.
Okay, but some people like it like this. Some people say this is perfect. I might make mine a little more done too, but I want to taste it. This is a demonstration video. Steak sauce. Some people get mad at steak sauce. Get mad at a lot of stuff. It's a bird in distress back there. It's melting like butter in my mouth.
And it's nice and hot, right?
What kind of steak was that? Strip steak?
Yeah, that's a strip steak.
That was so good. I'm not going to eat it all right in front of you here. I just want to taste it. Wasn't too corny, was it? This video. That's how I like the corn. Burnt a little bit. Ding! This is so good. Get yourself a blowtorch. Flamethrower. Yes. Go get yourself one. Okay? It's fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Stop back and see what's next. All right, you want to do this to your meat, or are you gonna?
Yeah, let's cook some more.
Grill. Okay.
It looks like fun.
Yeah, hurry up.
Okay.
Woo. Just finishing up the last pieces of steak. I wanted to come back and tell you how delicious it is. And I also wanted to show you that I could light this a solo stove with that torch, probably, pretty easily. That steak is so delicious. Kathy had hers already. She was playing with the torch. I have this loaded up with pellets. Did you ever see this solo stove? Oh. See how quick that lights. Well, I'm starting to smell the hickory wood pellets. See, this is how you can start your campfires or your charcoal grills instead of using lighter fluid. And then this thing will burn for 20 minutes or so. Solo stove, remember? Oh yeah, I cooked a hot dog on here too, didn't I? This is the smokeless tabletop fire pit. There we go. That's all we need, see? Look. Now, when that catches good and the air goes underneath, it comes out those holes on top. It's not doing that yet, is it? But you know that, probably. I'm just gonna have a nice flame for a while. While I finish eating my meat. Warm it up a little. Warm the hickory. What a meat party.
Like fondue with the flame.
Meat fondue. See how the flame took off pretty quick? This will burn real nice. If you didn't see it yet.
That was a great way to light that up.
Yeah, it was easy and fast. When it starts burning steady, it comes out of those air holes. Thanks for checking out my cool stuff. You could buy one of these too. I'll put a link down there. I got that for my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Long time ago. Talk to you soon. Get one of these things. They're cool. And I mean cool. See ya. Bye.